Let's play a new brain builder called Feelings Factory. It's like Simon Says, except for you're the factory workers and I'm the boss, also known as the foreman. Rule 1 is when I say, foreman says, show me a happy feeling. Y'all show me a happy feeling. And rule 2 is, you can only show me a feeling when I say foreman says. Okay? So let's try one real quick. Foreman says, show me a happy feeling. That was a happy group of students right there. Now show me a grumpy feeling. Good, you guys were listening and focusing your attention. I didn't say foreman says. It looks like you guys are ready to play the real game. You guys ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. This one's for real. Foreman says, show me a mad feeling. All right, now show me an excited feeling. Good listening. Good listening. All right, foreman says, show me excited. Nice. Foreman says, show me a worried feeling. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. You're very worried right now. Foreman says, show me an anxious feeling. Kind of bubbly in your gut, anxious. Like you're about to be on camera or something. Just that anxious feeling. Very good. Now show me frustrated. Foreman didn't say. I almost got a couple of you guys. Good job. All right, one more. Let's see, I'm going to get real tricky, okay? So I need you guys to listen. Focus your attention. Foreman says to show me mad, then show me happy. So that's a good mad. And there's a nice relaxed happy. Very good. You guys give your brain a mental high five for its hard work. It just grew smarter and stronger. Good job.